In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your inner fender liner on your Buick Encore. This one's located behind your driver's side wheel well. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts. Make sure you have a hand on it. Remove your wheel. We're going to remove this bolt and this bolt. Ours is missing. We'll have to replace that. Use a 7mm socket. Using a T20, we're going to take out this screw. And we're going to switch back to our 7mm socket. Take out this bolt and this one. Now we're going to take out our push pins on the inside. Using a T20, we're going to remove these screws as well. Now we're going to take out this push pin, slide my trim tool under. Slide your trim tool under and pull it out. And now we're going to get this nut. 10mm socket. Now we can take this off. And drop it down. Now slide your fender liner in. Make sure you get it inside this flap here. You want to try to line up this one first. We're going to start putting our bolts in. I'm going to start here. Just to secure it in place. I'm going to put my nut here. I'm just going to put these in loosely for now. Till we get the whole thing in. Next, I'm going to put this push pin in. Now we're going to go for this push pin. I'm not going to worry about the outside edge yet. We're going to pop that in after. Now we're going to do this one. We've got to push up on it a little bit. Next, we're going to push this fender in and under this lip. So I'm going to use a trim tool. You might have to twist this bottom piece to fit underneath. Make sure the screw hole clip lines up. Put your bolt in here. Use your T20 and tighten it up. Now we're going to move on to this one. Now we're going to go to this one. Now we can tighten up this nut. Now we're on the front side of the fender well, and we're going to put in our bolts over here. So there's one here. One here. This one's underneath that lip a little bit, so you might have to finagle it. Once you get it past or close to that lip, you're gonna push the washer on the other side of it, same way we took it off. There we go. You might have to stick your hand up in there from underneath to line it up. Now we're going to tighten them down. Now we're going to line up our screw here. And now we're going to replace our screw that was missing right here. Install your wheel. Start your lug nuts by hand. I usually start at the bottom one and walk the wheel up. And then be sure to tighten in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds using a 19mm socket. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.